First, we need to go ahead and do the installation of the operating system on our little micro SD card here. For that, you'll need another computer. If you don't have a micro SD card reader on your computer, you can use this, which is a USB to micro SD adapter, where you insert your SD card like that, and then you just plug that into a USB port, and voila, your system can read the SD card like it's a USB drive. So now this USB-C cable is plugged into my computer. It's an extender, so I don't have to actually get to the actual USB-C port. And I just plug this adapter in. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and download the software. So first we're going to go to raspberrypi.com, where we will click on software and download the Raspberry Pi Imager. I'm downloading the Mac version. It'll show up in downloads folder. You're going to go ahead and open that and then drag it into your applications folder so you can use it. This is the micro SD card on your desktop. Note the name. Then we're going to go into Raspberry Pi Imager and choose the Pi 5. That's our device. We're going to choose the latest version of the operating system. And note you are going to choose the storage device that is named bootfs. I'm going to go ahead and enter in your host name. I'm going to choose Vilros server. You can pick anything you want, just remember it. Localization, put in your username, anything you want. Again, just remember I'm choosing Vilros. And then password. And then make sure you confirm your password. Then go ahead and enter in the password for your Wi-Fi network. Make sure you enable SSH and use password authentication. We're not going to worry about Raspberry Pi Connect. Click Write Image. It's going to give you this scary warning. And go. And then this will take a little while, so we're going to speed this up. And it's done.